Strap in, road warriors. It's time for today's countdown of the best car emergency kit, and you won't want to miss what's in store. From jumpstart packs and warning triangles to portable air compressors, we're covering the essentials that keep you safe when the unexpected rolls in. Today, I'm going to be going over the best car emergency kit that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Everlit Survival Car Emergency Kit. This compact, all-in-one package is designed for drivers who want to feel prepared without carrying a heavy toolbox. The kit comes in a rugged, semi-rigid case that fits neatly in a trunk corner or under a seat, and its layout is engineered to deliver quick access when every second counts. Inside, you will find a portable air pump with an integrated pressure gauge for tires, which makes it possible to top off a slow leak before a long drive or after hitting a curb. There are sturdy jumper cables that give you or a fellow traveler a reliable boost, and a bright, durable LED flashlight that doubles as a signaling beacon in low visibility conditions. Compact multi-tool handles a range of small fixes, from loosening a stubborn hose clamp to cutting zip ties or bending a metal tab back into place. Thermal emergency blanket provides a crucial extra layer of protection if you must wait with the car idling in chilly air. And a basic assortment of bandages, antiseptic wipe packets, and adhesive tape offers a starter kit for minor scrapes or fuel line drips. Cover material resists moisture and abrasion, helping the contents survive a rainy night or a dusty trunk, while the padded compartments stay organized even when you're stressed by a roadside stop. In practice, the Everlit kit shines in everyday breakdown moments. A slow leak after a grocery run, a dead battery when a neighbor is away, or a sudden drop in temperature that makes you want the warmth of a blanket, all without hunting through multiple bags. Creative inclusion of a small digital battery monitor or status indicator, if present in your version, gives you a quick read on whether the power pack is ready for a jump or to run the flashlight through a long night. Pricing stays accessible for most budgets, which makes this option ideal for a first step toward routine vehicle preparedness. Compared to the VCANENERGY Car Emergency Safety Kit, which I have included as number 4 on this list, it emphasizes practical versatility and a carry-along footprint that makes it easy to share with another car or keep in a family vehicle. At number 4, we have the VCANENERGY Car Emergency Safety Kit. This kit is safety forward and ready for the roadside. Its focus is on signaling, quick fixes, and dependable backups that a driver can deploy in a tense moment. A robust set of jumper cables sits next to a compact air pump with a readable gauge, and the tire pressure gauge included in the kit makes it easy to verify whether tire is within safe limits before resuming a trip. Reflective vest and the roadside safety triangle deliver visibility when you need to stand by a vehicle on a busy highway. And the toolkit pouch keeps every item in instinctive reach rather than buried in a bag of odds and ends. The case itself is rugged and weather-resistant, designed to endure a drizzle, a spray of road grit, or a dusty trunk environment without letting the contents shift or degrade. Practical flashlight helps illuminate the engine bay or the cabin when you're searching for a fuse box, and a compact emergency blanket adds a layer of warmth if you must wait for assistance in cold weather. Kit's design prioritizes immediate safety. You can attach the jump leads to a healthy battery, check the tire with the gauge, and be seen by other drivers as you work. Its balance of core items with small conveniences makes it a strong choice for a daily driver or family car. Compared to the Everlit Survival Car Emergency Kit, which I have included as number 5 on this list, this option tends to emphasize signaling, visibility, and quick response readiness. At number 3, we have the generic car emergency kit. This entry represents a practical, no-frills approach to roadside readiness, packing the essential components most drivers expect in a starter kit while keeping the price accessible. Kit typically includes a reliable flashlight with multiple modes, sturdy jumper cables, a compact first aid and wound care set, and a basic tool pouch that covers a handful of common fixes. Think screwdrivers, pliers, wire cutters, and a handful of assorted fasteners. You'll usually find a reflective safety triangle to alert oncoming traffic, a compact tire pressure gauge to help you assess flatness or improper inflation, and a small pouch of fuses or electrical tape for quick electrical hiccups. The case is designed for straightforward deployment. Grab the pouch, pull out the tool set, and you're equipped to handle a routine roadside maintenance task with confidence. For drivers who want a simple, functional setup without non-essential extras, this kit offers clear value and broad compatibility with a wide range of vehicle types. It may not include the high-end add-ons of premium models, but its emphasis on core safety and practical tools makes it a dependable choice for college students, new drivers, or anyone who wants a straightforward backup option. Compared to the VCANENERGY Car Emergency Safety Kit, which I have included as number 4 on this list, The generic car emergency kit sacrifices a few convenience touches in favor of a lighter footprint. Number 2, we have the VCANENERGY Jump Starter with Air Compressor. This unit combines two essential capabilities in one portable power pack: a jump starter for a dead battery and a built-in air compressor ready to top up tires or sofa stump pressures after a long drive. The jump starter section provides strong cranking power for most gasoline engines, with safeguards such as reverse polarity protection and spark-proof design to help you stay safe in a tense moment. The air compressor is equipped with a straightforward pressure gauge and a compact hose that lets you fill tires, inflatables, or sports equipment in minutes, turning a roadside standoff into a solvable maintenance task. In addition to power and tire assistance, the unit often features multiple USB ports and sometimes a quick charge or pass-through charging option, so you can power a phone, flashlight, or small device while you manage the scene. The case is typically rugged and weather-resistant, with a built-in LED work light that helps you see under the hood after dark and a dashboard display that shows the current battery level. The design emphasizes safety and convenience. You can jump a vehicle, fill a tire, and stay connected without needing a separate power bank or tools. Compared to the emergency blanket space Mylar blankets, which I have included as number 1 on this list, this solution focuses on power, mobility, and mechanics. Number 1, we have the emergency blanket space Mylar blankets. These ultra-lightweight, compact thermal blankets are a foundational safety item that transcends the car in an emergency. Made from reflective, heat-retaining material, they trap body heat with minimal bulk, helping to stabilize a person's core temperature in chilly air or windy conditions. Folded into a slim pouch, they're easy to stash in the glove box, door pocket, or emergency kit, and they deploy in seconds when you need extra warmth while you wait for help, or when you are evacuating to a safer location outside the vehicle. The Mylar fabric is designed to reflect radiant heat back toward the body, offering a simple form of protection from hypothermia during long waits on cold road shoulders or in open lots after breakdown. The blankets also serve practical purposes beyond warmth. They can be used as a ground cover to protect clothing and equipment, as a makeshift sign to signal for attention in adverse weather, or as a protective layer when handling hot components under the hood. While these blankets don't replace a full emergency kit, their value lies in their light footprint, low cost, and immediate availability. When paired with the other items on this list, they become a reliable safety net that can buy you time and reduce risk in the moments after a breakdown or during a late-night parking lot stop. Paired to the VCANENERGY Jump Starter with Air Compressor, which I have included as number 2 on this list, the emergency blanket space Mylar blankets provide warmth, visibility, and versatility in a way that complements high-tech gear with a simple, universal utility.